Okay, good afternoon. Today is, excuse me, Thursday, June the 6th. My name is Judge Esparza. We have a couple of writ hearings scheduled for this afternoon. We have the defendants in the courtroom. They are all English speaking. We do not have a court reporter. If you're requesting a court reporter, your case will be reset for a later date. Not hearing any objections, we will proceed. The first case we're going to call is C-2525-24-L State, Texas versus James Montanetes.
Montantes.
Montantes, okay, I'm sorry. You speak English, Mr. Montantes? He is English speaking. He is present. Mrs. Montes, this is your motion. You may proceed.
It is, Your Honor. We don't have an agreement at this time. Right now, his bond is set at $10,000. He is a United States citizen. He's 30 years old, Judge. And we're asking that his bond be reduced to $1,000 cash or surety. He does believe that he has a job when he gets out, working at a packaging factory where he would be packaging lotions and shampoos. Judge, the charge does sound serious, but my client tells me that it was two 25-ounce beers that he took. One of them had fallen. And we're asking for the court to consider reducing the bond. He has been in jail already for 21 days.
Mr. Guerra, what says the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. I'm Des Guerra for the state. Your Honor, the state at this time is opposed to any bond reduction in this case, Your Honor. This defendant does have some history, Your Honor. He's been arrested 3 times for misdemeanor assault in 2019, 2022, and 2023. This is his first felony offense, Your Honor. The circumstances regarding this offense, Your Honor, this did occur at Stripes. Ms. Montes is correct. The defendant did acquire 2 beer cans in the course of the robbery, Your Honor. So the state would be opposed to any bond reduction in this case.
Raise your right hand, sir. Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Sir.
State your name.
James Albert Montantes,
How old are you, sir?
30 years old,
What city do you live in?
Cali.
You have an apartment or a house?
I'm staying with my brother,
How long have you been staying there?
a couple of months.
You have a job? Are you married? Your children? You want to stay here? Get a job if you get out, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't go back to that location, you understand me? I don't want to get any reports that you're hanging around there anymore, you understand? You're not homeless, right? You're living with your brother? Do you know his address? Do you have a phone number?
I did, sir, but his phone broke.
Do you have contact information for your client, Ms. Montes? You're on mute. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry, Judge. I have his brother's name as Joey Montantes, and the phone number that I have is 956-897-6061.
That sound right, sir? Your brother's number? If you get out, stay in contact with your attorney. You're gonna have to show up at the courthouse at a later time to take care of these cases. You understand that? It's not gonna go away. This is just a bond. You will have to report to the courthouse to take care of it. Is that clear? Bond will be reduced to $1,000 cash surety. And I go back to location. No drugs, no alcohol while you're out, sir. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Have a seat.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you, Melissa. Next case we're gonna call is C 2527-24-L, State of Texas versus Fermin Perez. You speak English, correct, Mr. Perez? He is present. Victoria, this is your motion. You may proceed.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mr. Pettis was previously in jail and was released on a bond and I believe picked up again. From what I can gather, because there's records everywhere, he's got 2 pending uncharged theft cases and I believe a burglary of a building. Those are uncharged. He's got pending failure to ID in misdemeanor court. And that's what I can gather.
Just so you're aware, the burglary of a building from March of this year was indicted. CR, making all that noise.
Can y'all
Can y'all hear me?
Yes, Judge.
What about
What about
now?
now?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, for some reason we're getting an echo. Hang on just a Can y'all hear me now?
Yes, Judge.
Still an echo. Can y'all hear me?
That's better, Judge.
Okay, all right.
You were citing the case number of the burglary of a building that recently got indicted, Your Honor?
Yes, it's scheduled for an arraignment on the 25th of June, 1696-24-B. That's the burglary of a building.
Okay, I believe that
What
one
were you
has
asking?
that one has a $5,000 bond, so I'll have to address that with the court, correct?
Yes, what are you asking on the bond on this case?
Well, we are asking for a PR bond, Your Honor, because apparently Mr. Pettis's father is dying, and that's the main reason he needs to get out, because he is one of the caretakers, but he's very close to death.
It's the state's position.
Yes, Your Honor, the state would be opposed to any bond reduction in this case. This defendant does have extensive criminal history, Your Honor. He has been to state jail before, Your Honor. His most recent arrest, besides this one, came in March of this year, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I think that the bond is at 10,000 cash or surety. That seems really excessive for a misdemeanor that's been enhanced to a felony. I don't know, I think it would be a state jail felony, but I'm not sure. 10 grand, the family can't afford that. So we're asking for a PR bond.
Judge, I think you're on mute.
I'm not hearing anything you're saying, Judge.
What about now?
Now we can, but now with the feedback, but it's okay.
Yeah, let's see if we can get through this.
He has 2 thefts and they're both, let me see.
Raise your right hand, sir. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I apologize. Let me see. I don't know where that feedback is coming from.
And I'm not hearing him at all. May I address the court?
Yes, go ahead.
Your Honor, he has a $2,500 cash or surety bond. That offense date was 2/11/24. I don't see that that one's been charged yet with the information or an indictment. Then there is a offense date of, this one doesn't say the offense date, but it's a $10,000 bond, which is also an enhanced theft.
Sir, where do you put your hand down?
Not hearing you, Judge, because it says you're muted.
Yeah, I know. If I turn it back on, I get that echo. I apologize. I'm gonna reduce the bond to $1,000 cash surety. We'll go back to that location, sir. You understand?
Is that on the $10,000 bond, Judge?
Yes, that was the only one before the court.
Okay. I'll look and
Guys, I'm
see.
gonna log off and log back on.
Your Honor, I'm gonna go ahead and convey that to the family. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Log off, guys, and log back on.